Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Something with Ronnie. Today I am making a wreath. So I got this, I don't know, let's see. I bought this like a couple of years ago, and then I bought this wreath from the dollar store also a few years ago, and I'm just gonna wrap it around and see where it goes because I haven't really ever made a wreath before, and so you're going to be learning it with me. Thank you.
I bought a floral wire to secure the garland to the wire wreath. In the beginning, I secured the start of the garland to the wire, and I plumped up the garland as I kept winding the wire and garland, attaching the wire to the wreath. This garland is 15 feet long, and it went around the wreath twice. Once I was done, I plumped up the wreath again to make it look fuller. I would love to hear from you to see what you think on how I did on this wreath. I have a surprise. I made one more wreath that is completely different from this one. This is the first wreath. I have included the second wreath in this video. So make sure to comment and tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe now, like, comment, and share. Hit that bell icon so you know when I upload a new video. I had this poinsettia garland. I tried to use a glue gun to secure it, but that was a complete failure. So I am attaching the poinsettia onto the wreath with the floral wire. Again, making sure the flower is where I want it to be on the wreath before securing it with the wire. This is my first wreath, and I hope you really liked it. Later on, I'll be doing the second wreath. In the end, tell me which one you really liked. For the second wreath, I purchased the wreath from the dollar store a few years ago, and the garland I purchased from Amazon. I will put a link to it. I have been wanting to make a wreath for a while now, but never got around to doing it. So here I am, doing it now. I hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I bought this pin from Walmart. It's a floral pin. The garland I got from Amazon was about 40 feet long, so I cut it down to 15 feet to size it down for the second wreath. I'm securing the garland to the wreath with the pin I just showed you. I twisted the garland around the wreath all the way to the end. I used a second pin to secure the end of the garland to the wreath. I really liked how both wreaths turned out. I don't have a favorite one. Tell me which one you like better, the first or the second. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe now, like, comment, and share. Also, click the notification bell icon so you know when I create more videos. Thanks for watching.